Summer is here, and that means it's the perfect time to fire up a grill and cook some food for your friends and family. If you don't own a grill or the current model you're using just isn't cutting it, then it may be time to invest in something new. We spoke to Paul Sidoriak, barbecue expert and founder of Grilling Montana, to find out what to look for in the best grill. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 grills on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill. If you prefer a corded option, we found the Hamilton Beach 25361 electric indoor searing grill to be the best electric grill. We love this grill because it came pre-assembled, and it can be used indoors. In terms of design, we appreciated that this option featured a window to look through to check on the food inside. Additionally, the compact nature of it made it a breeze to store or to take with us on the go. When it came time to clean this grill, we found it to be particularly easy. A spacious drip catcher caught a lot of fat, while the removable lid and the non-stick ceramic coated grates were also easy to clean. In testing, we found this grill to provide consistent light brown marks on chicken, and consistent and even cooking on flank steak with defined grill marks. Materials: stainless steel. Cooked surface size: 118 square inches. Number 2. Weber Q1200 Liquid Propane Grill. For a high-quality gas grill that you can bring with you on the go, we found the Weber Q1200 gas grill to be the best choice. We found it to not only be the best portable gas grill for people who go hunting, camping, or fishing, but also for people who are limited on outdoor space, such as apartment dwellers. We were able to assemble this grill in around 12 minutes, and while there were a lot of pieces and assembly required some extra tools, the instructions were very clear and easy to follow. We appreciated its durable construction and the cast iron grates which were designed to handle heat. While this grill was smaller than others we tested, we were still able to grill 12 onion slices, 6 burgers, and 6 buns at once without overcrowding. We found in testing that the onions, burgers, and buns cooked evenly and had nice grill marks. Number 3. Traeger Ironwood Wood Pellet Grill. The Traeger Ironwood Pellet Grill is the best pellet grill for those who want to create flavorful food. The hardwood pellets used for this grill provide 2 benefits. They help to fuel the fire while also creating a natural smoke to add flavor to the food being cooked. This grill takes about 30 to 60 minutes to assemble. Once it's built, a fully insulated dual-wall construction works to help keep the temperature consistent. It is also Wi-Fi compatible, so you can control the grill from an app right on your phone. With oven-like controls on the front of this grill and a full-color TFT, thin film transistor, LCD display, you can easily adjust the temperature and the resulting flavor. If you are looking for a less smoky flavor, setting the temperature higher will produce less smoke. If you are looking for a more smoky flavor, you can cook in the 165 degrees Fahrenheit to 225 degrees Fahrenheit range. Number 4. Charbroil Gas 2 Coal 3 Burner Grill. For the griller who doesn't want to have to choose between charcoal and gas, Charbroil's 3-burner hybrid grill is a good choice that saves you from having to settle. In less than 60 seconds, this grill can be converted from gas to charcoal. Plus, unlike other charcoal grills, the electronic ignition option helps to easily ignite the charcoal. This grill is durably made, with stainless steel burners and heat tents that are both rust resistant inside the grill. The porcelain coated cast iron grates are durable and easy to clean. This 3-burner grill also provides a sizable grilling area, with 420 square inches of usable surface that can cook up to 25 burgers at once. The main burner has 40,000 BTUs, while the side burner has 12,000 BTUs. We also like that this grill features a lid-mounted temperature gauge and side shelves to accommodate storage for grilling tools and accessories. Number 5. Rectic RT700 Wood Pellet Smoker Grill. If you're looking to avoid the headache of having to purchase both a grill and a smoker, Rectic's RT700 Wood Pellet Grill has combined them both into one product. It uses wood pellets and offers a wide range of temperatures from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. This option is also sizable, with 700 square inches of cooking surface, meaning it can handle up to 8 whole chickens at one time. Plus, an interior light enables grillers to be able to check in on their food, even when the sun has set. This grill and smoker combo is also easy to use, featuring a simple easy start button. When the hopper is full, it can run for 40 hours straight, and the grill can be controlled through your phone on the accompanying app. This combo grill has a stainless steel firepot and steel drip pan, as well as a cast iron heat deflector. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.